Let's be honest, most people don't want to work harder, they want to work smarter. If you're looking for the laziest, most passive way to make money online in 2025, you're in the right place. This isn't about get-rich-quick scams. This is about realistic, low-effort systems that can bring in at least $100 a day, even while you sleep. Part 1. Leverage AI tools to create content automatically. In 2025, creating online content doesn't require talent, time, or even your face. Thanks to the explosion of AI tools, anyone can generate high-quality videos, blog posts, and social media content with minimal effort. Tools like ChatGPT can generate engaging scripts, video topics, or entire blog articles in seconds. Platforms like 11 Labs can produce realistic voiceovers that sound better than many real narrators. If you need visuals, Midjourney or DALL-E can generate stunning images or illustrations, while tools like Pictory, Runway ML, or InVideo can stitch everything into an attention-grabbing video complete with transitions, subtitles, and music. You can choose a niche like finance, motivation, tech, self-improvement, or even true crime, then let AI do 90% of the work. The entire process can be streamlined. Select a trending topic, generate a script in ChatGPT, voice it with AI, pair it with stock or AI-generated visuals, and edit it using auto tools. Then upload the final result to YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram Reels. Once your content is live, platforms like YouTube Shorts and TikTok can push it to thousands of viewers organically. What's truly lazy and genius is that a single viral video could earn you money for weeks through ad revenue, affiliate links, or product promotions. And the more content you publish, the more you stack potential passive income streams without working harder. You're essentially running a one-person media company without lifting a finger, just pressing generate. Part 2. Upload and forget. YouTube automation. YouTube automation has become one of the most effortless ways to earn $100 or more per day in 2025 without filming yourself, recording audio, or even touching a camera. The model is simple. Build a faceless channel around a niche with high viewer interest and monetization potential, like luxury lifestyles, tech news, celebrity drama, crypto, or self-help. These niches not only attract tons of viewers but also high-paying ads from sponsors and YouTube itself. Once you've chosen your niche, everything can be outsourced or automated. You use ChatGPT to research and write scripts. Next, use a tool like 11 Labs or PlayAT to create natural-sounding voiceovers. Pair it with AI-generated visuals or stock footage compiled automatically with video editors like Pictory, Flicky, or Runway. These tools are beginner-friendly and can put together entire videos in minutes. If you don't want to touch the editing at all, you can hire a freelancer for $5, $10 per video and still maintain strong profit margins. The true magic is in the automation. Once videos are uploaded and optimized with good titles, descriptions, and SEO tags, they work for you 24/7. Even when you're asleep, traveling, or doing nothing, your videos can continue to rack up views, earn ad revenue, and even generate affiliate sales. As your channel grows, your income becomes more predictable. Some creators who post 1-2 videos daily are making $100 to $500 per day consistently, with many having fully automated teams or AI workflows doing all the work. Part 3. Digital products that sell themselves. In 2025, digital products have become one of the most passive and scalable ways to make money online, especially for lazy earners who want to set it and forget it. Unlike physical products, digital goods require no inventory, no shipping, and no ongoing effort once created. And thanks to AI tools, you don't even need to be a designer or expert to create something valuable. Popular examples of digital products include Notion templates, AI prompt packs, Excel financial calculators, printable planners, habit trackers, ebooks, wallpapers, and social media content packs. These can be created with the help of tools like ChatGPT for content generation, Canva for design, and Notion itself for building usable frameworks. Even more technical templates, like resume builders, landing pages, or budgeting spreadsheets, can be created using tutorials and AI-generated assets. Here's how the lazy setup works. First, pick a niche where people are already spending money and searching for solutions. Think of students, productivity nerds, small business owners, or content creators. Use AI to research popular pain points and create a product that solves a small specific problem, like a Notion template for freelance clients or a 30-day self-care journal printable. Next, design it quickly with Canva, export it as a PDF or link-based product, and upload it to platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, Payhip, or Ko-fi. Part 4. Affiliate marketing with AI. Blogs. Don't want to film or create products? No problem. Set up a blog using AI-written content. Choose a profitable niche like tech, gadgets, health, or personal finance. Write 20-30 articles using ChatGPT, add affiliate links to Amazon or digital products, and let SEO work in your favor. You'll make commissions every time someone buys through your link. With just a little traffic, it's not hard to start earning $100/day passively. Part 5. Low-effort print-on-demand stores. Print-on-demand is another lazy online income method that still works in 2025. Design t-shirts, mugs, or phone cases using AI-generated art. Upload them to platforms like Redbubble, Teespring, or Etsy. When someone orders, the company prints and ships it. You do nothing. The margins aren't huge per item, but volume adds up fast. A few viral designs can make you $100/day without any physical inventory or manual work. Part 6. TikTok to Amazon. Short-form sales funnel. Short videos are still king in 2025. You can create quick TikTok or Instagram reels with AI-generated voice, stock footage, and trending sounds. Promote simple Amazon affiliate products, kitchen gadgets, books, tech gear, and drop the link in your bio. These short videos take minutes to make, but one viral clip can drive thousands of clicks and conversions. Lazy? Absolutely, but effective. Part 7. Selling AI services without doing the work. Instead of offering your own services, sell AI-powered services on Fiverr or Upwork, like blog writing, image generation, or voiceovers. Use AI to deliver the service in minutes. You're basically a middleman letting AI do the heavy lifting. Price your gigs well and keep delivery quick. It's possible to earn $100/day with just a few orders and minimal effort. Part 8. Flipping AI-generated domains or websites. AI tools can now help you generate great business names and brand domains. Buy cheap, catchy domains and resell them at a markup, or build simple AI-generated one-page websites and sell them on Flipper. These micro-flips take little effort but can bring big returns. A single sale can be worth days or weeks of passive income. Part 9. Use Reddit plus ChatGPT for invisible income. Reddit is still a goldmine for affiliate traffic. Find threads asking for product suggestions, then reply with helpful AI-generated content and include your affiliate link where allowed. Do this in volume and across multiple accounts. It's invisible, low effort, and surprisingly effective. If just a few posts convert daily, you can hit your $100/day goal with little time investment. Part 10. The $100/day system. Stack 2 or 3 methods. Here's the key. Stacking 2 or 3 of these lazy methods builds momentum. You might earn $30/day from YouTube automation, $40 from affiliate blogs, and $50 from digital product sales. That's $120/day with just a few hours of setup. The beauty is once they're running, they mostly maintain themselves. You just check in, optimize occasionally, and enjoy the passive cash flow. In 2025, the laziest ways to make money online are also some of the smartest. AI tools, automation, and low-effort strategies make it possible to earn $100 a day or more without grinding non-stop. Whether it's content creation, affiliate marketing, or digital products, you have dozens of paths to passive income that don't require a 9 to 5. The trick is to start, test, and keep it simple. Lazy doesn't mean careless, it means efficient. Work smart now, earn on autopilot later.